Most of the time, people in sales, and I can catch them every now and then, right? That they're like, I'm going to leave. I'm going to quit this industry. And I'm like, please give me 1 month on Easton University. We need good people. I don't want you to leave the industry. Some of the times when we're really frustrated about our job in sales and we feel like people treat us like garbage, we feel like they never are real with us. We feel like they're never honest with us. We feel like they always say, I need to think about it. It's because we started with the mindset of it's not how you start, it's how you finish. And we skip the start altogether. And then, like a runner running a race in the Olympics, everybody's down in their blocks in their stance, and we're eating tacos and nachos. Wait for the gun to go off, and then they're halfway down the track, and now we're going to start. I want you guys in your stance, in the blocks, listening for the gun to go off. And as soon as that phone rings, it's a great day at Easton University. What can I get you information on? You are down to business. You're taking control.